You just changed your oil, the engine's running smooth, the dipstick's clean, and you think you're good for another 5,000 miles, right? What if I told you that right now, your brand new oil isn't protecting your engine yet, and in fact, it's actually vulnerable for the next 10 minutes? Yep, most drivers stop at the oil change, but they skip one critical step that mechanics secretly do every single time to ensure full oil circulation and maximum engine protection. Miss it, and you could be causing dry starts, premature wear, and micro scratches that slowly destroy your bearings and camshafts long before 100,000 miles. Today, I'll show you the post-oil change procedure that keeps your engine running like new straight from veteran mechanics, oil chemists, and engine teardown experts. Stay with me till the end, because the final step is the one 90% of drivers have never heard of, yet it's the most powerful. Section 1. Why fresh oil isn't fully protecting. Here's a shocking fact most people never realize. Brand new oil does not instantly coat your entire engine. When you pour new oil into the crankcase, it collects at the bottom of the oil pan, but the upper engine components like camshafts, valves, and lifters are still dry. They don't receive proper lubrication until oil pressure builds up and circulates through every passage and filter. This dry start window, even if it lasts just 5 to 10 seconds, is when up to 80% of engine wear occurs, according to research from Lubrizol Corporation and SAE International. And here's what happens in those seconds. The oil pump hasn't fully primed yet. The filter might be empty or filled with air pockets. Bearings and cam lobes experience friction, metal to metal. That's why mechanics never start a car immediately after filling new oil. They prime the system first. Section 2. Step 1. Priming the oil system, the pro method. This is the first secret step, and it's so simple, yet almost no DIYer does it. Here's how mechanics do it. After adding new oil and filter, leave the spark plugs or fuel injectors disabled. You can unplug the ignition coils or pull the fuel pump fuse. This prevents the engine from actually starting. Crank the engine for 5 to 10 seconds, just enough to circulate oil without combustion. Repeat twice, allowing the starter to rest between cranks. This primes the oil system, filling the filter, lines, and passages before ignition ever fires. After this, when you finally start the engine for real, oil pressure builds instantly, ensuring zero dry friction. Veteran mechanic Scotty Kilmer calls this step